I See Farm Animals by Smart Reads for Kids. Look, I see many different animals on the farm. Look, I see cows that are white. I see cows that are brown. I see cows that are black. Look, I see cows that are big. I see cows that are small. Look, I see many chickens. I see many chicks. Look, I see a rooster. I see a hen. I see a chick. Look, I see a horse. I see a horse walk. I see a horse run. Look, I see a foal. I see horses get wet. Look, I see goats play. I see a goat rest. Look, I see a baby goat eat. I see baby goats rest. Look, I see a donkey eat grass. I see a donkey foal sleep. Look, I see a donkey to pet. I see two donkey noses. Look, I see a herd of white sheep. I see one black and white sheep. Look, I see a hungry sheep. I see a baby sheep called a lamb. Look, I see a barn cat looking for mice. I see an orange cat laying in the sun. Look, I see a fluffy cat sitting on a log. I see two kittens laying in the leaves. Look, I see three small pigs playing in the hay. I see a big pig laying in the mud. Look, I see white pigs on the farm. I see black pigs on the farm. What would your favorite animal be on the farm? Hit the subscribe and like button so we can keep writing more great stories for you to enjoy. Thanks for reading along with Smart Reads for Kids.